Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I forgot to turn the sound on when I recorded. That's okay. Today we're doing something super awesome. Last year when I got the Amazon holiday catalog, I saw it and it was so amazing. It had such cute graphics, stickers. I mean, it just had great pages in it. So I made a catalog journal. I made a junk journal, a true junk journal, out of the Amazon holiday catalog last year. So I'm here today to share it because I got the new Amazon holiday catalog in the mail the other day, and I thought, what fun would it be to make another one? But you know what? That's going to be part 2 of this video. We're going to make that one together. But I had to come on, and I wanted to do a flip through of the one I made last year because it is just so stinking cute. And look at the new one. Look how stinking cute it is too. So that's going to be part 2. But let's get into this flip through so you can see the first one I made. Alright guys, isn't this cute? This was the holiday catalog from Amazon last year. And I decided to turn it into a journal because it just screamed journal to me. So what I did was I took the cover and I actually made one that opens this way. Okay, and then this is a pocket right in the front. And then there's a pocket right inside too. So you have an outside pocket and an inside pocket. And inside here I have all these cute little pictures that were in the catalog that I cut out. I mean, how cute are all of those? And like I said, yes, I'm going to use this. But this was all in there. And then the stickers that came with it, how adorable. Oops, sorry. The stickers that came with it, how adorable. And like I said, there's 2 pockets. There's an outer pocket and an inner pocket. And I just love this. But I have to use up what I'm using. I can't just start another one. I already used like 6. Okay, and then just look at the how cute. This is a recipe for hot cocoa for grown-ups to fix. And it has, these catalogs just have such cute things in them. And then a place to write, make a list. And then I put gesso on a lot of pages. You could also just use plain white paint. And so for writing. And then I just used some images from some junk mail that I had at that time as well. And just some more so I could write. And I sewed it in. But there's a lot of writing space in this. This is just an envelope. And look at this. A Winter's Tales. And it's a story. And then it's coloring on the back. And you know, adults love to color too, and I thought this was such a cute thing. So it's a cute story and then a color page, and I put it in a junk mail envelope. And then, like I said, just tons of space to write. Here's some more of those cute images that were in the catalog. I used them as trim. And then it's create your own snow globe. I'm an artist, so I love to have places to doodle. And then this is also like a tuck spot, a pocket, so I could put that in there. Lots of fun colors. I just love all the blues and the colors. Just lots of fun. And then I use some of my junk mail from the zoo as well. That's one of all the animals. And then, you know, there's a tag. I decorated it just with junk mail. Everything in here was made with junk mail and the catalog. And there's some more of those cute images from the catalog. Lots of room to journal, and that's it. But how adorable is this journal made from last year's Amazon holiday catalog? I just love it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that flip through. It was so fun making that junk journal, and I'm definitely going to use it as soon as I use up some of the other ones I have going. And how stinking cute is the new one? I just can't wait to make these Be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Also, be sure and subscribe to my channel. And let me know down below in the comments, what was your first true junk journal you've ever made? What did you make it from? Take care. Bye. Stay tuned for part 2.